So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time, when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now once we're here, we're going to try 5 different things to fix this problem. So for the first method, we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Repair. If you don't see Start to Repair in this list, then you want to click on See More Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Start to Repair, and it's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. Now, if that managed to fix anything for you, it should now boot you back into Windows. See if that works for you. Now, hopefully this would have fixed your problem, but if not, it might be saying for you something like Start to Repair could not fix your PC. In that case, you want to click on Advanced Options, which should then take you back into here. And another way to come back to this screen is you can repeat the thing that I told you at the start of the video. So now once we're here, for the second method, we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and this time System Restore. If you have any restore points available on your computer, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. If you don't have any restore points, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Uninstall Updates. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Uninstall Latest Quality Update. And then click on Uninstall again. Once you uninstall the latest quality update, see if that works for you. However, if it could not uninstall it for you, then we're going to click on Close. For the next method, we're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. And now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, we're now going to close out of this. Now you want to continue to Windows. See if that works for you. For the last method, you want to come back to this screen and then click on Troubleshoot and then click on Reset this PC. If you don't have your important files backed up, you want to click on Keep My Files. If you do have your files backed up, you want to click on Remove Everything. You want to reset your PC, and then this should now fix your problem.